Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to solve the theorem which of 7.5 of chapter 7 of class 9th. The theorem is RHS congruency rule. The rule say before we start to prove the rule, I am going to tell you an important thing, that SAS, which is side angle side, is a axiom, whereas RHS, ASA and SA and triple S are all the theorems. Okay, so let's begin. The theorem says that when in a triangle ABC and EFG, AB is equal to EF, means one side AC is equal to EG, means the hypotenuse of both triangles, the one side of both triangles, and right angle are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so now we will start to solve the theorem. First produce produce GF to D such that BEC is equal to FD. Then join E to D. Okay, see what we have to do is the line is produced and then we have to join this. So this side BC is equal to this side DF. Now in triangle ABC and in triangle EFD, what we have is BC is equal to FD, BC is equal to FD, and what's the reason? By CONS construction. Okay, the second is AB is equal to EF. What's the reason? The same is the reason, by construction. What's now the third is that angle ABC is equal to angle EFG. What's the reasons? The same is the reason, by a construction. So now by SAS rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFD. Okay, now by CPCT, okay, AC is equal to ED. Now we will prove these two triangles. Okay, then we will prove these two triangles, because in the beginning there was no link between them. Okay, to create a link between them, we constructed this triangle and then proved these two triangles congruent, and then we are going to now prove these two triangles congruent in triangle EFD. Okay, and triangle EFD is this one, and triangle EFG. Okay, what is here is the now EF is equal to EF ED is equal to EG. What's the reason? By construction. Okay, the both have the same reason, by construction. And angle D is equal to angle G. What's the reason? See, this side, now focus on a triangle EDG. Okay, this big triangle. This this side is equal to this side. So sides, the angles opposite to them will be equal. Okay, so what we have here is, say you will write here angles opposite to equal sides. Now by by triple S, by SAS congruency rule, triangle EFD is congruent to triangle EFG. Okay, now these two triangles are congruent, so by a CPCT DF is equal to FG. Okay, now what we have to do here is, see, now we have this side equal to this side in this triangle EFG and triangle ABC. This side AC is equal to EG and EGF is equal to BC. Why? Because this side is also equal to this side, so this side will be equal to this side. Okay, so now in triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Okay, whereas now BC is equal to FG. BC is equal to FG. EG, okay, EG is equal to AC. EG AC is equal to EG. Now you can see easily that this angle is equal to this angle, and by CPCT this angle is also equal to this angle. So these two angles would be equal to one another. So angle C is equal to angle G by SAS congruency rule. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EFG, and this is what we have to prove. Have a good day. If you have any doubt regarding this theorem, please just comment me on the comment section. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.